Hello guys, once again I Somesh Dhingra welcome you on behalf of Commerce 247. So in the previous video we already discussed about what is business risk. As we all know, business is full of uncertainty and there are several risks which will result into either higher profit and higher losses. So in that video we already discussed that there are two types of risk, that is speculative risk and pure risk. Speculative risk, which can result into profit as well as losses, whereas pure risk, which can either result into losses or no losses. For more in detail, go for the part 1. In that video, we already discussed what is the nature of the business risk. So moving forward without wasting any time, today we discuss about the causes of the business risk. What are the cause behind the business risk? Causes of business risk. So when we talk about causes of business risk, तो business risk के पीछे बहुत सारे कारण हैं. उन causes को we divided it into the 4 categories. We divide all the causes behind the business risk in 4 categories. The first category is natural cause. Natural cause. When we talk about these natural cause which are beyond the limit of the human beings, इनको कंट्रोल कर पाना ह्यूमन बीइंग की लिमिट से बाहर है. Just like the loss by flood, loss by earthquake, loss by heavy rainfall, these all included in the natural causes. This will result into heavy losses in the business. Remember this. This natural causes always result into the pure risk. Second one is human cause. What are these human cause? We already know there are some positive as well as negative impact whenever we deal with the human beings. So there are some events in the business which result into the losses, just like dishonesty by the individuals working in the business, carelessness, strike, and riots. Basically what happens in all these things, the human beings are involved, and the negative behavior of the human being will result into the losses in the business. These causes are under the control of the management. If management wants, they can motivate the individuals to control this risk. The third one is economic cause. When we talk about economic cause are related to the economic situations or generally related to the technology demand and the other reason. What happens? Sometimes the demand of the commodity will fall. Decrease in demand will result into the loss of the business. क्या होगा? डिमांड डिक्रीज हुई, डिमांड के डिक्रीज होने से बिजनेस को क्या होगा? लॉस. और दिस विल इंक्लूडेड इन इकोनॉमिक कॉज. नेक्स्ट वन इज competition. Whenever there are n number of sellers in the market, it will also result into the reduce in the price of commodity. मार्केट में बहुत कंपटीशन है तो क्या हुआ, बहुत सारे सेलर्स हो गए और प्राइस कॉमोडिटी क्या करने पड़े, कम करने पड़े, जिस कारण से हमने क्या किया, दिस विल रिजल्ट इनटू द लॉस और द रिस्क टू द बिजनेस. नेक्स्ट इज हैवी टैक्सेस. Taxes will also result into the losses to the business and increase the risk. And together with this, we are having the last point in the economic cause, that is increase in the interest rate. Once the interest rate increases, it also results into the loss into the business. Remember this, whenever the interest rate increases, the financial crisis takes place. The businessman suffers due to the financial crisis also. And the last one is, the fourth one is other causes. Beyond the natural, human, and the economic causes, there are some causes which result into the business risk. What are these? The first in one include the political disturbance of the businesses dealing inside the country or internal businesses take place within the geographical boundaries of the country. The political disturbance related to one country or the own country will result into the losses or the risk to the business. But when we carry forward the external business, the various nation political disturbances affect our business. Sometimes what happens, the political disturbance in another country also affect the business of our country. So remember this, it is not necessary that only the political stability of our country is necessary. The political stability of all over the world is necessary. If the political stability is not there, the business will result into the losses and risk is always been there. The last one is mechanical failure. What happens sometimes every business work upon the machinery. Sometimes there are damages in machine or just like power supply failure, damage of the boiler, all these result into the mechanical failure and causes the losses in the business due to the risk. So remember this, risk is the most important element in the business and for that only we get the profit. For bearing these risks or for dividing these risks into various individuals, we go for the insurance policy. Insurance policies are nothing but divide the risk into different individuals by the way of premium. So this is all about the risk. We concluded into the two videos. For the objective points of views, kindly go through the specific. One objective can be there. Which of the following is not the human risk? Dishonesty, carelessness, flood, yes, right. So when we talk about human risk, flood is not the human risk. It is a natural risk. Sometimes another objective may be there. Which of the following is not a natural risk? Flood, earthquake, heavy rainfall, and competition. So out of these, flood, earthquake, and heavy rainfall is the natural risk. Competition is the economic risk. So be careful while studying. Always try to solve the objective type questions and go through the deep study and keep on